Hello and welcome to E Prime for this weekend. I am Daedran. Farewell to the endless days and sweats. Coffee lands another international deal. Just days after announcing her Jordan ambassadorship, Coffee has been revealed as the main lead in this year's holiday campaign for mega fashion brand H&M. The video for the campaign opens up with Coffee aimlessly gazing throughout a window as she reminisces through poetry about leaving 2020 behind and looking forward to a brighter tomorrow.
Instill the urgency to mend the planet and what else is wrecked. Let things we wasted resurrect. Here's to forever, not the end. Come out, let out the love within. Call in equality for all. Let the voice of justice call.
In an interview with H&M magazine on the campaign, Coffee noted that the poem is her favorite part of the collaboration, saying she was instantly attracted to the lyrics. It's very simple, but in life it's usually the simple things that are the most real. And her H&M poem is nothing short of a real message, encouraging new encounters, addressing environmental issues, self-love, and a call for equality for all. H&M magazine refers to Coffee as one of the most exciting, forward-thinking, globally focused young talents out there. And added to that, Coffee's music has been about delivering a good message. Now on Saturday night, Fame Frequency goes retro. Organizers revealed that people have been asking for a return of its retro frequency. So this week, the Captain Colin Hines, DJ Denver, and Donovan Dakers return for a 70s, 80s, and 90s late list, starting at 9 p.m. on RETV and Fame as well as Radio Jamaica. See you at Fame Frequency. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching. Have a good weekend.